This tutorial is all about combining like terms. In other words, simplifying expressions. So first up, we have some vocabulary to get through. First word, coefficient. This is the number that is multiplied by the variable. All right, so the 3 is the coefficient. The 4 is the coefficient. Okay, now constant. That is a value that does not change, like 12, negative 72. Okay. Term, part of an algebraic expression separated by addition and subtraction. A variable, as we all know, is a symbol that represents an unknown quantity, and you can have several different letters that represent the variable. And then finally, we have our expression. This is a mathematical phrase that can contain variables, constants, and operations. All right, so how does this all work? Well, let's take a look at these examples. This one here, 4c minus 6d plus c plus 7. Well, first of all, when my students were starting out with this, I had them put boxes and circles around like terms. Each one of these is a term in this expression. So I have 4c and I have a c here. Remember, when that c is all by itself, that means there's that imaginary, invisible 1. So it's really 1c. Those are like terms. Next up, I have negative 6d. So I'm going to, let's do a circle or an oval. 7 is the only one that doesn't look like anything else, and it, just like this one, is by itself. Okay, there are no like terms to it. So now combine the ones that are alike. Well, 4c plus 1c, that gives me 5c. Minus 6d, so I'm going to say minus 6d plus 7. That's as simplified as I can get it because I don't know what those variables are. Okay, you always look in front of your constant to see what symbol goes with it. Make sure you take it with that number. All right, here's a little longer one. We have 14, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms in this one. So we have 14, I'm just going to circle. That's a constant. And if I take a look down here, I have another constant. It's negative 5. All right, no more constants. Now let's take a look at the other terms. I have 2y squared, and make sure the plus goes with it. That's just a y, so that's not like that. This one is just like that one, so that's a like term. And then, of course, we have this guy all by itself. All right, so 14 minus 5, that gives me 9. 2y squared plus 7y squared gives me positive 9y squared. Nothing happens to my variables or the exponents because they are alike. They stay the same. Then I have, let's go 6y, so it's going to be plus 6y. And therefore, I've used all of them, and that is as simplified as I can get it. Now, let's take a look real quick. They do want these to be put in alphabetical order. Your exponents, the higher the exponent, it goes towards the front. Okay, so this one, C, D, and 7, my constant is in the back. This is the way they would like. Every mathematician will write and simplify expressions this way. Okay, so I need to flip this one around a little bit. I should put 9y squared plus 6y plus 9. This is the correct way to write it. Okay, this one right here. All right, let's take a look at another example. This one has 4 terms. The first 2 are like terms. The second 2 are like terms, but these are not like these. So let's combine what we have. 3 plus 2. That will give me 5a squared. Negative 5a plus 6a. So negative 5 plus 6, different signs. Find the difference. So that's going to be 1a. And 6 has the larger absolute value, so it will be plus 1a. Now you can write it like this, or you can write it by simply saying 5a squared plus a. This is the preferred way, but it's okay to leave it like this with a 1. All right, finally, what if they throw in some distributive property there? First, take care of your distributive property. Okay, remember, you want to distribute everything times 2 on the inside. So I'm simply going to write 6a, haven't used it, plus 2 times 4a, 2 times 4a, plus 2 times negative b. So 2 times negative b. All right, now work it out. So 6a plus 8a minus 2b. Combine your like terms, you get 14a minus 2b.